And welcome again to Axeda Connection 2012. I am here with Keith Bartlett. Keith, we have some lights on us because of the fact that we are in the future environment. And let's talk about the future, because one of the things that you and I just talked about was the fact that the social machine needs to be connected up to all of your business intelligence. So talk to me a little bit more about that.
Sure, thanks. And it is kind of funky here, but yeah. So what we're seeing across the board with our customer base is their desire to really revolutionize the customer experience, right? Their own customer experience. And the way they do that really is through changing how they interpret what's going on in the usage of the product, right? So the primary feedback instrument for any company is the customer that they produce and how their customers are utilizing their product. So to do that, what you want to think about is taking that information that's real-time, live, every day, and operationalizing that across your enterprise to improve everything from product lifecycle management to product re-engineering to distribution, inventory fulfillment, all kinds of different areas.
So that brings up an interesting side of the equation, because we're not just talking about one system, we're really talking about taking advantage of the Axeda platform to kind of feed a whole bunch of business intelligence, right? So we aren't really into the solution where people are just starting. We're looking to the future here, right?
That's right, yeah, and that's a good point. So the core value of the product is really in service, right? Reducing truck rolls, reducing second, third level support desk issues, right? Resolving customer issues, first call, first time, right person, right technician, right part, right time. But if you start to get critical mass on your distribution of connected products, you can now run correlated events to try and develop pattern recognition of what's happening in the field. Why is my product in Arizona failing more rapidly than my product in Massachusetts, right? How are my customers doing this? How are they doing that? So if you start to kind of overlay the entire enterprise with a big data initiative, if you will, that starts to look at correlated analytics, you can really get some tremendous value out of it.
And that brings us to the fact that, once again, I have not done the job of talking about the press announcement first. I've talked about the concepts behind the press announcement. So let's talk about the press announcement. Sure. It's you with Therios and Salesforce.com. Yes. So talk a little bit about what exactly is involved.
Yeah, so it's a pretty cool concept, and Therios came up with the term the social machine. So backstep just a little bit, Salesforce.com has a concept of the social enterprise, right? Connecting customers, products, and employees. So Therios kind of took it one step further and said, let's make the machine social. So in our partnership, we can help them do that. But what the social machine really does, it actually chatters. So think of a vending machine actually instant messaging you, hey, I just sold out of Diet Coke, or I sold out of one brand versus another. So the social machine now actually becomes an active participant in the enterprise, just as someone would Twittering or Facebooking.
As a Diet Coke addict, I have to tell you that you know, if the vending machine started talking to me, I'm not sure that I would ever do any work, but I believe wholeheartedly in the concept.
Yeah, it's a strong one. And if you think about, you know, something other than Diet Coke, maybe a beer keg.
Right, which we happen to have one here.
We do have a connected beer keg, yeah.
Yes,
so.
And I'm looking forward to seeing how the beer keg works here.
Yeah, me too.
So why don't we go and partake of that part of the interview next?
Yeah, because I don't know if they deliver it. I don't know if they deliver beer here. I don't know what they would deliver, but it's about to land.
What would really be good if we could fake it, if we could do it like Star Trek and have it materialize in our hands right now. So we'll see if we can get that. Yep.
Beam us up.
Beam us up, Scotty.
Thanks
Keith, thanks so much.